In this guide, we're going to show you how you can add a friend here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Obviously, first things first, open up the Clash Royale app on your device, and it's going to work the exact same whether you're playing on an iPhone, Android, or really any device. And once the game does load for you, you're going to be on the main menu screen. Up in the top right corner, you're going to see a little people icon. Go ahead and select that. That is the friends icon, just like so. And then from here, you're going to see your current friends list. I can scroll down here and see everyone that's online and playing right now. But to add friends, you just have to hit this little add friends option, and it's going to pop up with a QR code, just like so. You can either have your friends scan this QR code, or you can hit share link and send them the code directly. On top of that, if you're trying to scan someone else's code, you can hit scan code in this option and scan their code from this exact same tab. But if you don't want to do it this way, you can also go ahead and back out, hit the three lines, and then hit Supercell ID, hit the friends tab, and then hit the little plus icon down here and add friends with a Supercell player ID as well, or the player QR code through Supercell ID. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.